Hi, this is a punch down tool. You see one side has some settings there, and the other side has the same settings. The difference is if you look very close, you will see a cut side, and that's the side you use to punch down to the jack or the patch panel. This is the tool that you use to punch down. You'll see there's a 110 and a 66. The 110 and the 66 are both different block sets used common in phone systems. You use the 110 side to punch down on jacks as well as in patch panels. You connect the blade into here, rotate it in, and now you're ready to start punching down.